friends, we're going to show this Baseus 20,000 mAh 15 watts fast charging power bank. So it's, mini size but powerful as prescribed on the box itself. So I'm going to show you all the edges of this box. Right, close up. These are the specifications of the device. Right, I'm gonna open it up. So, out of the box, this is what it looks like. Alright, get a battery bank itself, like a sort of user manual. Alright, and get a cable. There's a USB A to USB-C cable. Seems like it can come in handy. Alright, next is the battery bank itself. Alright, so this is the battery bank. This is how it looks like. Let's do a zoom on this. Right. Interesting. Baseus power bank. So out, in. Interesting. So there you go. This is the Baseus 20,000 mAh power bank. Something interesting is that if you look at here, there's USB-A, and there's a input. Interesting. But then if you look here, you see a Type-C output. I'm not sure if it's input, but yeah. And when I plug it in, if I plug in here to this wireless charger here, you can see that there's electricity, and you put it on, yeah, it charges. So there you go. Interesting. All right, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining by. See you guys next time. And before you leave, I want to let you all know that the Lord Jesus Christ, He loves you all and He heals. So please do not be afraid to call out to Him. He will answer you. Alright? Take care. Bye. God bless.